Hey everyone, welcome to BlogHunch. In this video, we will see how to highlight a code block using Highlight.js and BlogHunch. So let's take a look at how a code block looks like without the code highlighting. As you can see, there is no highlight, there is no colors at all in the code block, and it is all put together into a black background. So in order to make it look exciting, we can use a lightweight library called Highlight.js. So let's get back to our dashboard and see how we can integrate it. I'm heading over to the settings and this code inject right here. This code inject is divided into two sections, custom code header and the custom code footer. So whatever you put in this black area, it will be added before closing the head section of your HTML. And whatever you put right here, it will be added before the closing body tag of your theme. Now, for importing the Highlight.js, we can use their CDN link. So I have already copied it. So I'm just going to put it right here. If you don't have the link, you can always go to their GitHub documentation and you will find all the CDN links that they have. Now, getting back to the custom code part, here we have added this CDN for their CSS or style sheet that is needed to highlight the colors. The next thing we need is the JavaScript file. And once the library is added, we need to initiate it by using this particular piece of code. So we are all set and good to go. Let's hit the save button and see how it is going to change the look and feel of our code block. As you can see, the code highlighting is working pretty fine right now. There are different themes available with Highlight.js. This one is coming up with a light background. So if you want something with a different background, you can definitely take a look at their documentation. And based on that, you would be able to pretty easily change it. Now, coming back to this one, you'll see that the look and feel is nice. However, there is a black frame all around. And that is coming from the default styles. So in order to fix that, we can add some custom styling. So let's head over to the header section and let's add some custom style, which would override our theme styles. We are using the pre tag, and all we need to do is set the padding to 0 and make sure we add this important flag. Once we save this, let's head over and see. See, the black background is completely gone. There is no frames at all, and it is looking really nice and clean. So this is how easily you can highlight the code block using BlogHunch and Highlight.js.